Hi everybody, this is Tech Kev. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the game bar not working on Windows 10. So it's pretty easy. First of all, write game mode in your search bar. Make sure that your Xbox game bar is activated. This is the most important thing. After that, write settings in your search bar. Go to your application. Look for Xbox. Go to your Xbox game bar. You will have to click on advanced option. And here you have a couple options. The first thing that I really recommend is just repair the Xbox game bar. You can stay, your Xbox game bar will stay on. You just repair it, just do your testing, try to record, try to do whatever you need to do with the bar. If it's still not working, I really recommend to press reset. It will reset the whole thing, all your setting and stuff. And also, I really recommend to restart your computer. Make sure that everything is clean, and now it should work. Even when you repair the app, I really recommend to restart your computer also. Sometimes stuff can happen with the Xbox game bar, so really make sure that you restart your computer before resetting it. So this is pretty much it, guys, for a quick guide on the Xbox game bar issue. If you have any question, just comment in the YouTube section, post me your rig, CPU, GPU, and RAM. I will try to help you the best that I can. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Peace.